Hey guys, we're here at 6 Ridgeton today for our virtual open house. This is in the lovely and highly desirable Cherry Creek neighborhood. We're on a cul-de-sac on an extra large and secluded lot. So come on in and we'll take a tour today. When you enter the property from the front door, you enter into a nice foyer that leads you to the large living area, or this room here, which is right to your left. This room can either be a formal dining room or it can be an office and even a playroom. It does have multiple uses for this particular space. Let's head on into the living room now, where we have lovely cathedral ceilings, laminate floors, beautiful fireplace, and this particular property actually even comes with this large wall-mounted television. As we make our way through the living room now, we'll come into the breakfast room and kitchen. So this kitchen is quite large, and it does have this lovely seating area for your breakfast table. You can enjoy casual dinners, breakfast, lunchtime with your family. And then we move into our kitchen area that has our painted white cabinets and nice granite countertops. This particular kitchen also has new appliances, stainless steel appliances. We've got an electric stovetop here with a 5-burner range, overhead microwave in a hood, and stainless steel dishwasher. Tons of cabinet space and lots of room for all of your kitchen needs. But the best part is, in addition to all these cabinets, we move into here to our laundry room and to one of the best features of this house, which is this extra large pantry. From our laundry room space, we exit out into a 2-car garage that also has access to the outdoors. So now we'll head back in through our breakfast nook. We're going to go through our large living space into which is another great feature of this particular property. Due to the sloped driveway of this house, we exit through these French doors and out to the driveway that has an additional parking space but leads us to a flat level area where we can enter through the garage, and we have a second entrance into the property. So we'll head on back now and check out the 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. So as we head on back in, down this hallway we have 2 bedrooms, a bathroom, and an additional coat closet. So we have lots of storage going on in this property. Just over 1,800 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. This is the first of our 3 bedrooms. New ceiling fan, new blinds, and we have a nice large closet with 3 bars. Some newer carpet in this particular bedroom as well. So let's go on and check out the second of our 3 bedrooms. Again, we have laminate flooring that goes through the hallway. In this particular bedroom, again, newer carpet, newer blinds, perfect for a nursery. We have a similar closet in this bedroom as well. Then as we move through, we have the full bathroom here in the hallway. Newer tile floors and some great updates in there as well. And lastly, we're going to move through this property into our master bedroom. Notice the tray ceilings, the extra large windows. These do have 2-inch wood blinds, but we wanted to open those up, give you an idea of how much natural light comes into this particular room. We go on in here into the master bath, where we have a dual sink vanity along with some additional space, and included are 2 large master suite closets. And in case that's not enough storage for you, we also have a linen closet going on in this particular master bath. So you get his and her closets plus a linen closet, your 2 sink vanity, a soaking tub along with a shower, standalone shower. So huge master bath in this particular property. So here we are again at 6 Ridgeton. We hope you enjoyed our virtual open house. We're going to post some more information specific to the property below. We'll see you soon.